Ngemva kwenyanga ezilithoba uJulia Mathebe sesikhundleni sobumeyara ugcina thokoza isikhundla lokho kulandela umlayo we-ANC uthi amalunga athosa amacala kufuze ajidele iqadi. Umkhandlu sowufungisa uMaleke Mokganyetji njengoMeyara ihlangana yakhe nethemba bona uzokusebenza kuhle.
The ANC have taken a decision to appoint one of the longest serving member of this council. We think she's a seasoned cadre who can be able to take this municipality forward.
Inhlangano eziphikisako zikwamukela ukubekwa kwakaMokganyetji njengoMeyara begodu bafuna wonke amakhansela ahlotshaniswa ne-VBS bona athokoze umsebenzi.
I'm happy that the person that are bringing is not a VBS aligned person. He's very sober. She's a woman. We actually welcome the lady. We are prepared. We are not personal as Bolsheviks. We are intending to work with everybody. The person who's accountable, a responsible person we are willing to work with, and we are going to support the new mayor because it's not linked to any corruption.
Even if you can check in the council right now of seSekhukhune, there are about 4 or 5 of people who participated in the VBS saga. To save their integrity, they must resign from today.
Kusola bona uMathebe wathokozwa ngemali engaphezulu kwe-300,000 amaranda ekubalwa ikheji, indawo yokulala namathikiti wesiphaphamtjhini ngokusisa kwaka-Masipalada ku-VBS.